We are going to do a few examples to help you review what we covered last time, and you will likely see some of the similar question on the quiz next week.
How do I find the missing length? You use a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. And what do we know about those? Which one would be a, which one would be b, which one would be c? It kind of tell you a, but sometimes I don't, okay? So a we don't know, but b is 5 squared. And then c here is 10, so 10 squared. And then what do we do? First we need to a squared plus 25 is 100, and then subtract 25 to the other side, so we have a squared equal to 75. And to solve for a, we're going to need to take square with both sides. Normally come with plus and minus, but this is length, so we are going to probably just need to put positive. How do we do square root of 75? You could put it in the calculator. My calculator has square root. I put 75. They want like a root. It will look like that, but if I change it to decimal, it would be 8.66025, something like that. So if I want one decimal place, it would be a equal to what? 8.7. It could be centimeter or whatever they told us from the question. I'm going to add this as centimeter. So a lot of time they want you to put a unit there. But if I just want to convert this to the roots, I could break 75 to what? 5 times. 75 is 5 times what? 15. 15 is going to be 3 and 5. So we have 5 times 5 times 3, right? When we have a square root, it means how many as a group do I need to take it out? If we have 3 times 5 times 5, square root means how many as a group do I need to take it out? 2 as a group, so we can take out 5. So that's why they have 5 square root of 3. Have you seen that before? You can do decimal number. For algebra, they want the answer to be exact. That would be the exact answer. All right, how do we convert temperature? What's the formula? How do you convert Fahrenheit to Celsius? What is the formula? C will equal to, because we want C, right? C will equal to what? 5/9 times F minus 32 degree. We will plug in 23 is my F, Fahrenheit. Subtract 32 will give me 23. Subtract 32 is going to be a negative number, negative 9. It's like negative 9 over 1, right? So if we reduce it, we can get our answer as negative 5. This is degrees Celsius, right? So we concluded that the answer will be, if you started with 23 degrees Fahrenheit, it will equal to negative 5 degrees Celsius, right? Are we okay? How do you convert 500 miles to feet? What do I need to write down to help me to solve this? The length is, do I need inches? 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. What other information do I need? That's it? Oh yeah, why do I give you something so simple? Okay, alright. So what do I do now? 500 miles over 1. So the miles need to be down here, right? And then feet need to be up here, right? So you can cancel. What is it? 1 mile is 5,280. Okay, just multiply together. We get 2, 6, what? 4, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This is in what units? Feet, okay? Because I already canceled the miles, right? So 500 miles equal to 264,000 feet. Are we okay? So let's do something more challenging maybe. How about 500 miles per hour to feet per second? What kind of information do I need to help solve this problem? For the conversion, we're going to need starting from what to what? 52x0 feet, and then 60 minutes equal to an hour, okay? 60 seconds equal to 1 minute, okay? So how should I set that up? Start with
500 miles
per 1 hour, which means I need to somehow get rid of the miles, right? So mile go to the bottom, and what's on top? 52x0 feet equal to 1 miles. Is it okay? Times, now I have to get rid of what? The hour somehow. Hour at the bottom, so hour on top. Okay, minutes at the bottom, so what?
60 minutes.
Got it. And then I need to get rid of the minutes on top to get rid of it and get seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds, you say? Is it okay? We can get rid of the miles. We can get rid of the hour. We can get rid of the minutes. It will left with feet and second, right? Okay, so what's on top? We got 500 times 52x0 times 1 times 1. That's feet. 1 times 1 times 60 times 60. This is second. Now, let's multiply the top part. 500 times 52x0 is that number we have earlier. 2640000. Okay. Over 60 times 60. 3600. That's going to be 0.3 repeating, right? So this is in what units? Feet per second, right? This say that 500 miles per hour is the same as 733.3 repeating feet per second. Are we okay?